Well, hello there. My name is Zach with musclesandveggies.com, and today I'm coming at you guys with my Keto Collagen Dark Chocolate Cacao Cookie recipe. Alrighty, for our ingredients here, on the left you see our dry ingredients, on the right you see our wet ingredients. First, let's go over the dry ingredients here. Now, to start off with, there in the back we have our half a cup of almond flour. Next, we're moving on to our third of a cup of coconut flour. And then you have 2 tablespoons of organic cacao powder and a half a teaspoon of baking powder. And last but certainly not least is our perfect keto collagen chocolate protein powder. This stuff is amazing. You can find it on my website at musclesandveggies.com. Next, you see here we have 2 eggs. Then we also have organic butter, grass-fed. That's 2 tablespoons, and also 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. So we're going to start with our wet ingredients here. We're going to take our 2 eggs, our coconut oil, and our butter, and what we're going to do is mix these together for about 2 minutes until we get a nice fluffy consistency. Okay, so now after you get your eggs and your butters nice and fluffy for about 2 minutes, mixing them, we're going to just start adding in ingredients. First with the organic cacao powder, and just keep this spinning while you're adding in the ingredients. Next with the keto collagen, stuff's amazing. Then we're moving on to our coconut flour, third of a cup. Now, just keep this spinning. We're going to add in our almond flour just a little bit at a time. Don't overdo this. You want to just make this a nice consistency, so keep adding this in. Then finally, we're going to throw in our last little half teaspoon of baking powder here. Now we need to sweeten our mix, so we're going to use either stevia or erythritol. I use sweet drops here, and we're going to sweeten the taste. All right, next you need a baking sheet with some parchment paper. Use your fingers to form these into little cookies. The mold may stick to the spoon, so I just found it easier to use my fingers. Your oven should already be preheated at this point to 350. We're just going to stick these in for 10 minutes. About 5 minutes into baking, we're going to pull the cookies out. We're going to top them with 85% dark chocolate chips, and then we're going to put back into the oven for another 5 minutes to continue baking. So after you pull these out of the oven, I recommend that you let them cool in the fridge. They get sweeter as they cool off and chill in the fridge. Look at this thing though. Delightful. Delightful. So this is Zach with musclesandveggies.com. If you learned something from this, hit the like button. If you make this and you love it, comment below. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned to musclesandveggies.com.